back to Angie's table. I know it looks a little different, and that's because we are in my kitchen. Normally we film at Grace's. I wanted to take you guys grocery shopping with me and also show you guys how I store them to make them last longer. And I did do a little preview on it during kitchen hacks on onions and green onions, but I have a lot more today. And I also want to show you guys how I organize it, how I organize my other drawers in the kitchen. My fridge isn't fully stocked at all times. I like to go grocery shopping based on what I'm gonna eat that day or that week. Don't be shocked that it's not all the way full. As you can see, there's a lot of sauces and jars. I'm gonna hold here. I love Kerrygold butter, so that's like pretty much always there. And I have eggs. Coke Zero is like a must in my fridge. And if you notice with some of them, I already have things labeled. I kind of like to do that so it's a little bit more organized. We'll need an OXO spinner. This is one of the best purchases. I got it on sale at Costco. Water and vinegar. My tomato. Tomatoes are my favorite fruit. So I'm gonna get some filtered water going in there and just do a small dash of vinegar. And that's gonna help it to not mold and to clean anything that you don't want to ingest, like pesticide. So the tomatoes are gonna be in there for a quick hot, like 3 to 5 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna cut up my broccoli. I like to cut it into portions that I will be cooking with so that it saves time later when I'm cooking. I'll pour all of this out now. And we're gonna rinse this quickly. And we're gonna spin it to make sure it's dry. In the meantime, I'm gonna have the broccoli sitting in the vinegar water as well. We're gonna need paper towels for almost all of these things. Gonna line a paper towel down to catch the water. And this prevents molding, helps it to stay dry. Pour this in. And then let's willing this up. And with all of this, make sure to change out the paper towel 2 times a week. We're gonna do the same thing and strain and rinse. Place the paper towel down and add the broccoli in. Okay, broccolis are done. Let's move on to lemons. Grace and I discovered Meyer lemons on social media and we went to the grocery store and we saw it, so we got some. I always have lemons in my fridge, but never tried this, so let's see how this is like. While that's sitting in the bath, let's work on the strawberries. I like to have the greens taken out because I like it ready to eat. I'm just gonna wipe it down one by one and put it into my open container. It looks more like an orange than a lemon to me. Time for the strawberries. Dash of vinegar. With the strawberries, I'm going to lay paper towels on the bottom of the spinner. Rinse this. Place them in. Take it for a spin. Oh, getting tired. Okay, lay a paper towel down in your Tupperware and let's add these in. Now let's work on the bacon and the onions. For the bacon, we're gonna need some parchment paper. I'm gonna lay parchment paper down. So I split this up into serving uses, so I'll leave some as strips down here. I'll usually do 3 at a time. Okay. I'll lay this one on top. And this helps it to not stick. but you have single portions of bacon instead of them all being stuck together and you have to defrost it all at once. And we just have to close it up. I usually split my bacon up into two, so the bigger one that we just did is for the freezer and this one is for the fridge, something that I'm just gonna use right away. So check out our kitchen hacks video because I did show how to do it there, but you basically just take out the part where the roots, I think these are like roots. This is, and you're just gonna peel the outer layer. Get a paper towel and wrap the onion in there. And wrap this in foil. So while I am doing this entire bag of onions, let me give you guys a quick tour and how I organize my dishes and all of that. The first cabinet I wanted to show you guys was my American food plates and dishes. So I have the ones that are a little bit deeper for pasta bowls, but I coordinated it by color. So I wanted all my American foods to be white plates. The Asian dishes would be small rice bowls and bigger soup bowls, small side dishes and things like that. So I have that in a separate cabinet. I also have all my cups in this cabinet, and I bought this one divider so you can put cups and mugs under and over it. I feel like it almost doubles the amount of cups that you can have. I have a lot of mugs and mugs take up a lot of space, so this is perfect for it. My utensils are all organized in this bamboo divider. You can find this easily on Amazon, or you can also find it at Target or Marshall's, TJ Maxx, all of those places. And I also have my spice cabinet, and this is where I put everything, all the things that I get in bigger bulks, like the bigger size from Costco, are up on top. As you can see, my kitchen is very clean. I don't like things on there. I don't have my air fryer out, I don't have my pans out, and I have that all hidden away. In my pantry, I have all my pots and pans, and it's easy because you can pull it out to grab it, and it's easy access because these are things that you use on a daily basis. My rice cooker, my KitchenAid, all of that is hidden away into the bottom cabinet, and the only things I have out is a toaster and Keurig because those are things that I use pretty much every day, multiple times a day. For the top portion, I have it all organized into baskets, and it also looks more organized like that instead of having all your medicines out and all your honey and tea bags and all that out. I got these at Target and they were on sale, so keep your eye out on Target because they do have amazing sales sometimes. These are so cheap and I'm so happy with my purchase. Now let's go store this in the fridge.